Welcome to IBM InfoSphere Optim Designer and Manager Test Data Management Solution Demo. The objective of this demo is to show how to create realistic and right-sized test databases using Designer and Manager for PeopleSoft Sales Order module. Test Data Management Solution helps organizations to use a single scalable enterprise solution across applications to create production-like environment in order to shorten the iterative testing cycles, which reduces costs and speeds application delivery. In this demo, we will cover how Optim Designer Manager is used to extract a subset of data from production or golden copy environment and insert into target test environment. Now, let's go to PeopleSoft production application to verify the sample data to be extracted. Navigate to Main menu, Order Management, Quotes and Orders, Create or Update Order. Click on Find an Existing Value tab. Enter search criteria. For example, say Business Unit US 001 and click on Search. You will find a list of order belonging to the particular business unit. Select any order from the search result. Here, you will see order entry details, order line entry details, and other order related information. Now let's take a look at the test application to ensure that these records are not present in the target test environment. Navigate to Main menu, Order Management, Quotes and Orders, Create or Update Order. Click on Find an Existing Value tab. Enter search criteria. For example, say Business Unit US 001 and click on Search. As you see, no records are present for the given business unit. Now, let's verify the records from production database. Our criteria for the demo is to extract the data within the date range 1st Jan 2000 to 1st August 2014 under the business unit US 001 as specified in the query. Let's run the query. There are 2966 rows which matches the criteria, including the record shown earlier in the gold copy PeopleSoft application. Now let's check test environment at the backend. Run the SQL. There is no sales order that matches the criteria present in the test environment. Let's look at the sales order access definition and extract criteria defined in InfoSphere Optim Designer and Manager. Go to InfoSphere Optim Designer. In the Directory Explorer, connect to the directory and open Access Definition from the Objects list. Access Definition contains a list of tables related to sales order. To check the extract criteria, click on the tables to which selection criteria is defined and select Edit Selection Criteria. Click on the Table Level tab. The order matching this criteria will be extracted. The order date and business unit defined in the criteria are variables which we can see in the Variables tab. The Relationship tab displays parent-child relationship for sales order tables to aid the traversal of data across the tables. Now, we extract the criteria satisfied records from production environment using IBM InfoSphere Optim Manager. IBM InfoSphere Optim Manager is a web application that is used to manage, run, and monitor data management services. Here, Optim Manager is deployed to IBM WebSphere application server. The Optim Manager can also be deployed to Java compliant application server. Let's go to the Service Management tab to run the extract service. An extract service uses access definition to extract data from tables defined within the access definition. Now navigate to the Input tab, select Variables, enter the order created date range, business unit and save it. Now click on Run to initiate the extract service. The status of the extract service can be monitored using the Service Monitoring tab. Once the service is completed, a report will be generated in the Service Summary window. Click the report link to view the report. The report contains status and statistical information of the extract service like total tables processed, rows extracted, extract file name, and number of rows extracted from all tables. Now, we will insert the records extracted from production environment into test environment using InfoSphere Optim Manager. Open Service Management tab in InfoSphere Optim Manager. Select the Insert Service. In the Inputs tab, select the extract file generated in the previous step. Click Save and run the service. Once the service is completed, a report will be generated. Click the report link to view the report. The report contains status and total tables processed, total rows inserted, number of rows inserted for each table, etc. Let's verify the records inserted into test environment from database. Execute the same query. It results in a list of order records. There are 2,966 records, which is precisely same as the number of records extracted from the golden copy environment. Lastly, let's verify the data inserted into the test environment to PeopleSoft application. Search for business unit US001. Now, you will find a list of records matching the criteria. These are essentially the records inserted into test environment by IBM InfoSphere Optim Designer Manager. Select an order to confirm all the relevant information is available in the test environment. This concludes our demo. We have successfully created PeopleSoft test environment using IBM InfoSphere Optim Designer Manager, and the test application is ready for development as well as test purposes. Thank you for watching the video.